Good morning. My name is Nelcy Muñoz. I study administration in health. This letter is addressed to Secretary General on. I respectfully address you through this letter to express my opinion on technological advancement and its environment implication. I think it's big negative because it's caused a visible damage as it has brought pollution in places that affect crops, the life and health of the living being because of the misuse of resources. It has also brought economic inequalities that have affected man by bringing him crime. I believe that continuing technological development will partly help the development and advancement of multiplication, communication, the effectiveness and efficiency of collaborative work. However, technological advancement will bring poverty because it decreases the possibility of working disease will increase due to severe lifestyle pollution due the atmosphere, ozone rivers land degradation. Therefore, there will be climate change, which also controls the filing and harvesting of process affecting humans, the environment. This phenomenon can be improved with humanization, education, install input, solidarity, and respect to support ourselves as human beings rather than compounding as we overdo damage to our habitat that affects the entire um, uh, population. I therefore recommend creating a public policy based on equity and a sense of belonging, be incentivary in respect for nature. Thank you. Atentamente, Nelcy Yoshira Muñoz Caicedo.